Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of sequential embankment construction of a dry and saturated soil and earthquake analysis after the embankment construction. If I click here to observe, for instance, the stress, this is the first layer construction, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, and after that the fifth layer. And then we have the consolidation with a large time step, and then the earthquake. This is the earthquake. We can get, for instance, every result. For instance, here pore pressure or displacement, and this is the earthquake now. And we can use a render extrude element to have a 3D view. This is the consolidation step, and this is the earthquake. See that? So, if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials. We have a lot of English tutorials in our website, and they are provided for English users. And find the English title or search the word here. So click on the title or blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have the part design explanation, assembly view, procedure, step interaction and mesh, and loading, and here the result. You can see them. There are three important points here. The file contains CAE IMP in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay it with that. If you have PayPal, you can pay with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.